We've just installed the 2020 to 2022 Lexus RX Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. Compared to that small 8-inch screen, you can see what a difference this beautiful 12-inch touchscreen makes. This kit preserves all of your factory features, including your factory backup camera. You can shift to reverse and come right back into CarPlay. Long holding the menu button will take you back to the factory screen, and you'll keep all of your functionality in the factory screen as well. We'll go through some of the features in CarPlay and what makes it so awesome. Whether you use Apple Maps, Waze, Google Maps, or any other Maps app, you can see how nice this large, beautiful navigation system looks. And you can easily navigate to favorite or saved destinations. This system works fully with your original touchpad, and it's also touchscreen, so it's super easy to use.
Starting route to Walnut Creek Amphitheater.
You can hear how Siri will read your directions.
Parkway.
It makes driving so much easier. You can press the back button to return home, and we'll show you some more features of CarPlay. Back home, you can have Siri read your text messages as they come in. You can also use Siri to make phone calls.
Parker said I have some exciting news. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say to Parker?
I'll call you shortly.
It says, I'll call you shortly. Send it?
Send it.
Done.
You can use the button on the steering wheel to easily activate Siri. Call Parker.
Calling Parker Visuals, mobile.
Hey.
Hey man, tell me about this exciting news.
I was just calling to tell you I just bought a brand new Lexus 2020 RX.
Wow, sounds like maybe it's not brand new, but it's new to you. But the awesome thing is, we sell Lexus Apple CarPlay conversion kits for almost every model of Lexus and Toyota. I'll tell you more about it after this video, alright?
Alright.
Sounds good. Back in Apple CarPlay here, whether you use Apple Music, the Pandora app, the SiriusXM Music app, SoundCloud, or any other music app, they'll automatically appear, and you have access to all of your saved music. You can see that the cover art is really nice and big and beautiful, and you can easily navigate through all of your saved albums, or if you use Apple Music Radio or any of the radio features, you can navigate through the radio stations also. Coming back home here, any app that has a CarPlay component will automatically show up. So if there's specific apps you use for your business, or if you listen to apps on the way to work, like Audible or audiobooks, they'll show up as well, and you can easily navigate through your books on the screen. We'll take you back home real quick for just a second. This is the underlying Hamilton interface. This interface, if you don't want to interact with it, you never have to interact with it. You can set the unit to go straight into CarPlay. To set the unit to go straight into CarPlay, you enable auto connection and remember device. However, this underlying system is very powerful. You can add apps to it that might not be available on CarPlay. For more about this, you can check out our website or give our team a call at 919-858-2890. We have a full installation video for this unit. As well, we have a full video that'll show you how to set up CarPlay and set up audio the first time. Check those out.